Welcome to my channel. Netgear Orbi RBK13 setup using manual method. Step 1. Unbox the Orbi system. Inside the box, you'll find the Orbi router, RBR10, 2 satellites, RBS10, power adapters, and an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Connect the router to modem. Plug the Orbi router into power and connect it to your modem via Ethernet. Step 3. Power on satellites. Plug in the satellites near the router and wait for pulsing white light. Step 4. Connect to default Wi-Fi. Use your phone or PC to connect to the default Orbi Wi-Fi, name on the label. Step 5. Open browser and follow on-screen setup. Go to http://orbilogin.com and create admin login, set your Wi-Fi name and password, and complete the setup. Step 6. Sync satellites, if needed. Press sync on router and satellites if they don't connect automatically. Step 7. Finish and enjoy Wi-Fi. Once done, connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi and enjoy high-speed mesh internet. For instant help call 1-800-915-5645.